Good morning, guys, for this early video, at least where I'm standing right now. I've been up since about 5:15. We are headed down to Houston. By we, I mean me and my friend Zach, Sad Zebrahead. We're headed down to Houston and back in one day to pick up something for the Miata. He's bringing his truck, and we're taking a truck, if that tells you anything. Been hinting at this since the last video. If you haven't watched the last video, go watch the last video. But you guys probably know what I'm headed to go get. Got a large envelope of money here, so we're buying something big. And yeah, I'm super excited. I don't know what really else to say to start this video off other than thank you for joining. I'm gonna need some coffee. We're gonna stop at Buc-ee's. If you guys haven't been to Buc-ee's, you'll see Buc-ee's. So. Alright, we're classic truck guying down to Houston. This truck has, I don't know if you can see,
391,101 miles.
We're almost to 400,000 miles in this thing. But we're almost there 2.5 hours ago. Alright, we're about 20 minutes away, I think. We're just about in Houston. And we're gonna pick up the top, load it, get back on the road, eat some chicken, and then we'll be on our way back. So I don't know if I'm gonna film at the guy's house because that might be kind of weird, but we'll film when we can. Travel vlogs are always kind of boring, but we're making good time. All right, package is acquired. So we are now making the 4.5 hour about trip back up to the Dallas area. And yeah, and then we'll do the we'll get it all set up and show you guys how it looks. Yeah, super excited. It's not like perfect condition, but I wasn't expecting perfect condition. I just need a top, so this is the solution. Can't wait to show you guys, so see you guys in a second. All right, guys, so we are obviously back in the garage. Long trip, long drive. I think we were in the car for a total of about 9 hours, but right in front of me here is the new hardtop for the NC Miata. Now, this isn't an OEM hardtop, and I knew that going in. Obviously, I didn't pay what you would for a normal hardtop, but this is a DG Motorsport carbon fiber hardtop. So it's super lightweight, like I think it's like 14-15 pounds or something like that. The rear window is a shatterproof material that is molded in. So I'm really happy that they molded it in rather than riveted it in or like bolted it in like some people do with the DG Motorsports tops. Needs a little work, needs to be cleaned up. It also is needing something on the interior, so I can just show you guys. One thing that we're doing for sure is we're taking these little flowers off. Yeah, I don't know about the whole flower thing, but they were there. We're taking them off. Couple little things here and there. We'll go over the top later on, but you can see there's a little imperfection in the molding right there. There's also one right there. Not a huge deal. I really just needed this to cover my head in case it is going to rain or if I'm taking a long trip. The rear mounts are a little different than OEM would be as well. And then everything else is pretty good. There's a little weird thing going on here. The carbon weave is pretty nice. It's got a nice gel coat on it. It's really not, too bad. I've read some good, some bad about these tops from people, but I'm really stoked on it. I'm super happy with it. I think it'll look way better once you get these stupid flowers off, but one thing on the inside is it's missing the carpeting on the top. There's just like a little panel of carpet that goes here. We're gonna be installing that with some of the spare carpet I had from the rear roll bar area video. But yeah, here it is. I'm gonna be mounting it up this weekend. Right now it's Mother's Day is tomorrow, so happy Mother's Day for you guys watching at home. Say hi to your moms and wish them well. But yeah, this is it. Very excited about it. So as I said, we're gonna be installing this in the coming days. I've got all the brackets for it and things like that. It just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. It was kind of sitting outside for a little while. Doesn't look like there's any fading in the gel coat, which is good. That's one thing that I was actually pretty worried about, was if there was gonna be like a bunch of fading and stuff like that, but seems okay. So I'll go over the top and do some honest opinions, a full review, get it installed in a upcoming video. But yeah, today was just a long day vlogging, you know, filming what I could. Travel vlogs are always kind of weird, so it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you're excited. I'll be posting more updates on my Instagram and things like that, so definitely go follow me on Instagram. It's @coloredandlight. Otherwise, I'm gonna close this video out and go get some rest. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you're new to the channel, go down below, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below. I'll see you in the next one.